Hey, fam! Welcome back. Ever had that oh snap moment when your Excel sheet full of quarterly sales data just vanishes? Maybe you fat-fingered the delete key, your McFroze mid-edit, or various error messages popped up like a jump scare. Don't worry. Today, I'm diving into file recovery hacks and showing you 3 simple ways to recover your lost, deleted, or unsaved files. Let's roll. Method 1. Recover unsaved Excel file by AutoRecover function. Let's try the easy wins. Most software, such as Excel, Word, PR, etc., have an automatic save function. Let's check it now. Open Microsoft Excel. Then under Recent, click More Workbooks. Click on Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Here, select your unsaved workbooks if you see any. But if you cannot see anything in the window box like me, then you probably don't have autosave turned on. To turn it on, go back to Home. Choose Options on the bottom, then go to Save. Here, enable Save Auto Recover Information. Click on OK, and you're done. With this feature turned on, Excel will save your workbook after some time, which will help you recover the unsaved file in the future. Of course, there is another simple and crude way, that is check your computer's recycle bin. It sounds funny, right? But you'd be surprised how many times a file ends up in the recycle bin. It shouldn't be there. If it is there, just right-click and put back. Method 3. If none of these tips work, it's time to use a professional tool. 4D Dig Data Recovery. It can recover data from hard drives, memory cards, SD cards, USB drives, recycle bin, and more. Of course, if you have a corrupted file that can't be opened, 4D Dig can repair it as well. Let's see how it works. Okay, now I'm going to delete this sales Excel file. And then I'll show you how to recover it step by step. You can see that the files have been cleared from the recycle bin. Now open 4DDIG and find the place where we deleted the files. Here, I choose the recycle bin. Select Scan and choose the file type. Hit the blue button. Wait patiently now. 4DDig will fully scan your deleted files. Select Target Excel files and then click Recover to save them to a safe location. So easy, right? When you are in a hurry to recover lost files, using 4DDig is the fastest and easiest way. Whether it's an Excel file, a Word file, per project file, or photo and videos, 4DDig Data Recovery has your back. Give it a try. Drop a comment if this saved your spreadsheet or if you've got a worse data horror story. Smash that like button, subscribe, and stay techy, my friends. Peace out.